In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch edit multiple photos in GIMP. If you're new to photo editing or simply looking for an efficient way to enhance numerous images simultaneously, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll be using a powerful tool known as the BIMP plugin, which allows you to apply edits to entire batches of photos at once. So let's dive right in and explore how you can streamline your photo editing process using GIMP. First and foremost, you'll need to install the BIMP plugin. This plugin is specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with GIMP, offering additional capabilities for batch editing. If you haven't already, download the plugin from a reliable source online and follow the installation instructions provided. Once the plugin is successfully installed, open GIMP. With the BIMP tool ready to go, you're on your way to more efficient editing. Next, you'll navigate to File and select Batch Image Manipulation from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it leads you directly into the BIMP interface, where all the magic happens. Upon entering this interface, you'll find options to add, edit, and manage the batch tasks you wish to perform on your photos. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not familiar with batch tasks, you'll find it straightforward to understand and use. Now, let's move on to adding the specific edits you wish to apply to your photos. In the BIMP interface, you'll find an Add button. By clicking this, you can select the operations you want to perform. Common tasks include resizing images, adding watermarks, or modifying colors. Perhaps you need to resize photos for a website or give them a consistent watermark. These tools make it possible. Simply select each option, adjust the settings according to your preference, and have confidence that every image will be treated uniformly. Take a moment to explore these options and set them as per your requirements. Lastly, it's time to apply these edits to all your selected images. Once your adjustments are configured, you'll hit the Apply button. This is where the BIMP plugin truly shines, executing the changes across multiple images almost instantly. As it works through the batch, you'll see progress updates letting you know how it's going. Be sure to give it a moment to process, especially if you're working with a large number of photos. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to batch edit photos using GIMP with the BIMP plugin. By investing a little time in learning this process, you've equipped yourself with a valuable skill for future projects. Thank you for joining us today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy editing!